A very good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to online class. Students, this is the video for class 4th Social Studies. As we have completed our annual term syllabus, second term syllabus, so today we will solve model test paper. Okay, so today we will solve model test paper. In this model test paper, we have the questions based on previous chapters. Okay, so today we will try to solve it. So take out your book, open page number 182. Mention today's date on your book because we will solve the answers in the book only. Okay. So open page number 182, mention today's date, we will solve model test paper. Okay, in this model test paper we have MCQs, very short answers, long answers, true, false. Okay, so we will solve MCQs today and very short answers. Next class we will continue with other exercises. So everyone take out your book, just mention today's date. I will read the question, you will see in the book, and I write answers on the board. Okay, I will write the answers on the board, you will check your answers and mark right. So let us start with the MCQs, multiple choice questions. Question number 1, choose the correct option to answer the following questions correctly. The capital of Jammu and Kashmir is, what is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir? Already we have discussed all the topics in the previous chapters. It is just a kind of revision, you can say. So, capital of Jammu and Kashmir is, write down having here MCQs. First is, Jammu and Kashmir's capital is Srinagar. So, write down, mark tick on Srinagar. Then number 2, Panji is the capital of, Panji is the capital of Goa. Write down the answer, mark tick. Name the area that receives the highest rainfall in the world. That is Mawsynram. Write down Mawsynram. Mark tick on the answers. Read the question from the book. I am writing the answers. You can mark the answers. Question number 4 is food crops sown in the winter season are called. The food crops which sown in the winter season, what do we call them? We call them rabi crops. Write down the answer. Sorry, this is number 4 and this is number 5. Which of the following states is not a part of northern plains? So the answer is, what is the answer? Tamil Nadu. You can solve also. Which of the following rivers is a non-perennial river? The answer is Kaveri River. Everyone check your answer. Mark the tick on the answer. This is your MCQs. Next we have very short answers. Here in the book you can see there is no space to write the answers. So what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to write the answers in your notebook. So be ready with your notebook. Take out your notebook. Mention today's date. We will do the very short answer questions in the notebook. Okay. Note down the questions from the book. I write the answers on the board. So first is, name the famous lakes in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. See, all the questions we have already done in the previous chapters. Maybe the questions are modified, so I am writing the answers again here. This is very short answers. First is, name the famous lakes in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. We can give answer in short. Blair and Dal Lakes. Number 2. Name the 2 main river system of Karnataka. Question you note down from the book. Answer from the board. Krishna and its tributaries. Kaveri and its tributaries. Answer number 3. What is weather? This also we have solved already. What is weather? Weather is, write down, weather is day to day changes in the atmospheric conditions. Weather is day-to-day changes in the atmospheric conditions. The number 4 is who initiated the Chipko movement. That also we have studied in the previous chapter. Who initiated the Chipko movement? This is Sundarlal Guna initiated. You can give one word answer also. The Chipko movement. Write down the answer in your notebook. Then next question we have, what does Himalaya mean? That also we have already done. What does Himalaya means? What does Himalaya means? Himalaya means a bod of snow. Write down the answer in your notebook. So today we will solve only answer number 1 to 5. Okay. Next question, name any 2 known perennial rivers. How many languages are recognized in our constitution? What is pollution? Then in which range is K2 located? Then what does horticulture crops include? All these questions, actually everything we have already done, because previous chapter, the model test paper based on previous chapters. So in homework you will try to solve question number 6 to 10. Okay. Write down just all the answers in your notebook right now. In today's class we have solved MCQs. Check your answers. Then very short answers, note down in your notebook. Okay, I'm reading the answers once again. Name the famous lakes in the Union Territory of Jammu Kashmir, that is Gulen and Dal lakes. Name 2 main river system of Karnataka, that is Krishna and its tributaries and Kaveri and its tributaries. What is weather? That we have already done. Weather is day-to-day changes in the atmospheric conditions. Then we have who initiated Chipko movement. Sundarlal Bhaguna initiated the Chipko movement. Then what does Himalaya mean? Himalaya means a bod of snow. Okay. So all these answers you have to note down in your notebook, and MCQ you will mark tick in the book only. Okay. Note down the answers. Rest of the questions you will do in the homework. So this is your homework. Write down the homework also, because already we have discussed all the topics. So question number 6 to question number 10, very short answers. Very short answers. Try to solve in the homework. Okay, we will discuss also in the next class, but first you try to solve. And rest of the exercises, answer the questions true, false. This also we will solve in the next class. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Okay, question number 6 to 10 you will do in the homework. And right now all these answers just note down. Everyone note down the answers carefully. And that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.